Hey guys.
Hello, you people, we're back!
Yes, this is me going, of course, because I'm
Bryce. This is Bryce.
I always have the best.
Not always.
Most of the time
Because I did that one backflip that we didn't show you guys.
Oh, sorry about that. That's before we got our video camera. Well, before we decided to get our video camera. So,
we're back in Devil's Ladder.
Yeah.
We didn't crash until now.
Yeah, that's like
the crappiest moment.
It's pretty. It's not.
He's doing nose wheelie.
It's not a bad crash, but. And then I'm turning around here.
Then he boosts it.
And I messed up because our goal is to like do it like.
And then he hits me. He hits me.
That was fun. Okay. Coming up like soon. Like
turn.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, sorry. Unreal. Can't really see it, but watch. Oops.
It's the bumper cam.
Look at that. Oh, bumper cam. Bumper cam. You can't see anything, but look. Through the tree, right here. Right around this area.
And this car turned into a
smack car. But you can, as you can see, it's really flat and one of the worst crashes probably ever that I've actually posted. Had this happen a few times, but not in here. It happened in Fiji when I do it.
Fiji!
See, I'm just. Whoa! Look at my tire.
His back tire came off.
No, look. A tire. Like
Your spare tire.
I pooped out a tire. Yep. Pooped out a tire.
Felt good.
So yeah, that was pretty much it.